Find the midpoint between P minus 1, 4 and Q, 5 minus 2. So we've got P minus 1, 4 and Q, 5 minus 2. Now to find the midpoint, all you need to do is to add together the two x coordinates and divide by 2, and add together the two y coordinates and divide by 2. Right, so if we look at this as a diagram, here we have the point minus 1, 4, here we have the point 5 minus 2, and this point here is the midpoint. Now you can get the midpoint by just adding the coordinates together. So if you label underneath each one x1, y1, x2, y2, then it's very easy. All you need to do is minus 1 plus 5 divided by 2, and then we need to do 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 5 gives me 4, so we get 4 divided by 2, comma, 4 plus minus 2 gives me 2 divided by 2. That gives me 2, comma, 4 divided by 2 gives me 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. If we look on the diagram, we can see the coordinates of the midpoint here very clearly are the point is the point 2, 1. So I want to mark that on. So this has been a video to show you how to find the midpoint between two given pairs of coordinates. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.